Today, I would like to talk about an important raw material in Alucobond panel, that is polyethylene, which is in the middle of Alucobond panel. 20 years ago, when ACP was introduced to China, there were few kinds of plastics in China except the virgin plastics. So at that time, all factories in China used virgin plastics to make ACP, and the prices were also $1 per square meter to $3 per square meter higher than current market price. Later, in order to increase the cost of performance, Chinese people adopted two production ways. The first is to mix virgin plastics with recycled plastics for production. The second is to import fully recycled plastics from Europe, Japan, and South Korea for production. Thus, the produced ACP has low cost and good flexibility. Our ACP always use second plastics. The plastics you see in the video are imported from Germany. Maybe you will find there are many cheap ACP in China. That's because the plastics they use are paper pulp, rather polyethylene, which cannot be used in external walls. So before you purchase, you should confirm the quality of raw material is high quality.